guys! Today we're going to be making a game where you choose your own story in Gandi IDE. So first, we're going to want to go to events and drag out the green flag clicked, then sentence, then ask what's your name. This creates a bubble and asks a question, and then you have an answer thing. So instead of that, we're gonna type a short story and then put 2 answers, and you have to choose and type one of them. Okay, so after that, we're gonna go if then we're gonna go back to control and put answer, and then to operators, and then the equal sign. So then we're gonna say there. So there. So if I put the answer, climb the tree, then I start climbing the tree in the story. So we have another question and answer, but we don't have an answer for if we go home. So we're gonna make a quick answer by duplicating this and saying if answer equals go home. So start climbing the tree. Okay, now we're gonna make an answer for this. If then answer equals then there. So if you flail your arms and legs, you'll somehow turn upside down and you hit the pavement and you'll die. So now we're gonna want to make another choice. So let's duplicate this and say if answer equals bend your knees. So if we put bend your knees, then let's make it here. That's an easy game to make, and you always can change the story and the answers to something different.